Namaste everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore various yoga poses and guide you through your practice. I'm your yoga instructor and today we are going to learn Uttanasana, also known as standing forward fold. Let's begin by standing at the top of our mat with feet hip width apart, arms relaxed by your side. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, start to fold forward from the hips. Allow your head, neck and shoulders to relax completely. Bend your knees slightly if you feel tightness in your hamstring. The goal is to keep your spine as straight as possible. Pay attention to your alignments. Keep your weight evenly distributed on both the feet. Place your hand on your shin, ankles, or on the floor, whichever is accessible. It's more important to maintain the integrity of the pose than to touch the floor. Take a few breaths here. Allow your spine to lengthen with each inhalation and relax into the pose with each exhalation. To come out of the pose, gently bend your knees, engage your core and slowly roll up until you are standing tall again. Now take a moment to notice how do you feel after practicing Uttanasana. You might notice a sense of calmness and rejuvenation. This pose is all about finding relaxation and release, not about pushing yourself. It's a great pose to include in your regular yoga practice, especially to those who spend long hours of sitting and stand. So that was all for today's video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram for daily yoga updates. Also subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching. Namaste.